Hi, I'm Tyler with Management One Property Management, and I wanted to share with you today a little bit about our maintenance department here at Management One and what they do. Now, what our maintenance team does is they actually coordinate every single maintenance and repair on your rental property. Okay, now one of the other things that we do is we have no markup on our maintenance. So when we use, by the way, our licensed, bonded, and insured vendors, is that we don't have a markup on any of the maintenance. So if an item costs you $50, it costs you $50 to repair, okay? And then what we also have is we scrutinize every single invoice that comes in to make sure that it is paid accordingly and that the prices are with our preset pricing that we have with our vendors for you as the owner, okay? And one of the most important things is we actually have an emergency service line that the residents can call in 24/7, 365 in case an emergency occurs after hours. All right, so again, this is just a little bit about our maintenance department here at Management One. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're always here to help. We appreciate you watching this video. Hope you have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.